All right, guys, we're all still so stunned by this beautiful, beautiful Ferrari Purosangue with V12. This thing just got delivered from Ferrari, from Maranello. It landed here at 412 Motorsport. First thing we did was we had to protect this car. We did full S-Tech Stealth paint protection film. We also protected a lot of the carbon on this car. This thing has so much carbon, huge rear diffuser, a lot of aero. All of that got done in gloss S-Tech PPF. I'm absolutely obsessed with this car. It's spec'd out so nicely. It has almost every option. The interior is gorgeous, the paint is gorgeous. This thing makes 715 horsepower with a huge V12. Crazy front hood. It was not easy, it was a bit challenging to get this car done, but you know, Ferrari sends us a lot of cars and I'm so happy to wrap it up here at 412 Motorsport. Again, I can't wait for my friend to drive it and enjoy it. It has a V12 engine, it drives like a sports car. It's actually absolutely incredible. Ferrari really did a great job. I personally love this vehicle. If you know me, you know I love Ferraris. And yeah, enjoy.
Alright guys, behind me is this beautiful 48 Pista that's in for full exhaust and stage 2 tune. We went ahead and removed the ECU so that we can get the file sent out to DME and we can get a new file for the stage 2 tune.
Ferrari 488 Pista. To a lot of you, it's a favorite. It's one of the best Ferraris, end of an era, V8 twin turbo. That matching with the F12 TDF are one of the best two combos that Ferrari has produced. I love the Pista over the Speciale because it's faster, bulkier, still looks slightly similar, very aggressive. If you love power, this thing behind me is an absolute monster. It got tuned up a bit with an exhaust system and a DME stage 2 tune, and it's about to leave here from 412 Motorsport in Los Angeles, California. Beautiful spec. That's it for this Pista Coupe. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you haven't subscribed, like, comment, please do so. We'll see you in the next one.
You're like, how we do this again?
Swing the feet. Make it look easy. Please move up. You can move it all the way back if you need to, because I'm basically straddling the seat here, so you could move it all the way back to where it's touching the seat back here, and it really wouldn't faze me at all. And they have soft close too, so you don't need to worry about pulling it down like a muscle.
That thing is fast. That's looking good.
Not bad.
See, once you're in, it's actually quite spacious, right?
Wow.
And you can 3D print it where like the lines and everything are actually integrated into the metal. It's a 2.88 liter V8 twin turbo, and then it makes 750 horsepower.
The motor.
Yeah.
Plus hybrid.
And then the hybrid makes another 500. I have cats on it, again for compliance and stuff, but we ran a cat delete version for like our validation cars. I mean, it sounds like an LMP car that goes around the track.
Wow.
And it revs to 11,000 RPM too. It's just, yeah, it sounds good.
11,000.
Yeah.
And it's twin turbo engine.
Yeah.
It's only 2.8 liters.
Wow.
I think when you look at where, you know, some of the competitor hypercar companies were at like this stage in their life, like we're quite further along.
Yes. Because everybody's like, even Kanzang is like, when did it start? In the 90s, 80s?
Yes, like mid 90s.
Yeah.
So
I mean, it is special.
yeah,
It's very incredible. The parts, the 3D printing, the design.
yeah.
There's nothing like it.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah, because especially if you're driving it in like street mode around at like low speeds and or anything, like it'll drive itself like an EV, and it'll like kick in the vehicle.
I wasn't
if you need
interested.
it. Yeah,
When I saw it and I heard it, I was like, okay, this is fucking sick.
yeah. It's part of the battle for us, right? Is just convincing people like it's not just a concept car or anything. Because when you look at it on first glance, it's so futuristic. You think it would be, but then like
think it's only concept. That's
no,
true.
it's fully crash tested,
Yeah.
everything.
that is comfortable and neck breaker.
Yeah,
I mean, you've been taking it
yeah. No, I mean,
across
I was
America. So how does it feel?
and I've had so much fun just like watching out the back window, just people just breaking
Yeah.
their necks looking into the carpool lane the whole way up. Because it doesn't look.
You can
real.
stop it somewhere at valet and
Yeah.
opening these doors.
Yeah.
And the fact that the window is as big as the whole door is
Yeah.
really close the door. And you have the whole. Wow, that's a cool design, man. I respect it. Yeah, it's gonna pop off for sure.
Yeah, I think for sure. I mean, we're building such good momentum right now.
Yeah.
With you know, Top Gear gave us an absolutely stellar review this summer. We had a huge stand at the Quail. We have Car and Driver coming out.
Yeah.
The engine is again an in-house design. We work with a vendor out in New Zealand actually that helps
Yeah.
put the engine together, but then we tune it here in California over at Ed Pink actually. 5 lap records this summer with the exact same car, all in 5 days. We called our California Gold Rush Challenge where we drove from California from our headquarters. Drove it to Thunderhill, Sonoma, Laguna Seca,
No way.
and so we drove the car to each of those, set the lap record, then
And drove
kept
it back.
kept driving the same car to the next place. So
Wow.
5 records, 5 days, same car. Just to display that it's a road legal car that you can take to the track, break all the records, and then leave.